Hey guys, welcome to my 2019 fall home tour. Come on. So starting out here, we went pretty simple. I got this Hello Pumpkin mat from Joann's, the welcome sign from Kirkland's, and everything else I had last year, and I just repurposed it all and just put it on these pretty succulents right here for a pop of color. I was going for the neutral yet pops of color this year with orange and blue. This wreath I got last year from HomeGoods, and it has held up so well. Okay, so in here, these are some pillows I got last year, and these are also in my Amazon favorites. They're just pillow covers. This was from HomeGoods, and I love the colors of it. That I made on my DIY channel. I will link that above or in the description box. It is just a pizza pan that I just kind of spruced up. Those 3 stacked pumpkins were from Marshall. They were actually a gift from my mom, and they still have them. So I think they're really cute, and they have a little gold stem. Over here, I kept it pretty clean. I put a little tray here from the Target dollar spot, and these are some of the pumpkins I did decoupage on, and I also did that with my on my DIY channel with the other little Dollar Tree craft. But I left it pretty simple over here. Same for over here. The pumpkin is from TJ Maxx. It lights up, but I have not put a battery in it. This lights up. I will get it to light up, and it is from, it looks like mercury glass, which I am loving so much this year. So in here, I'm going to show you guys, I got this from Joann's this year, and I also got that thankful sign from Joann's. If you guys remember the home tour, you know where I got everything in here, so I won't go through it, but I will link that above. So if you want details on all of this type of stuff, as well as the big reveal, that's where you'll go. I have this pillow here. This is my Big Lots pillow from last year, if you guys remember. And I'm just trying to not go out and buy a whole bunch of new stuff, so I am just reusing what I have. Over this way, I left it pretty simple. I just did the regular colors, and my blush pillows are right there. I'm not worried about it. This room is very soft and feminine, so I'm fine with that sitting there. This is pretty much just the sitting room anyway. Then over here, this I spray painted gold. It was just regular old like brown. Made this gold, and then I got this pumpkin. I actually got it for Isabella, and I thought it matched the flowers over there. So I thought it was so pretty, but I really was having a hard time figuring out where it should go. So I've just put it in here. Then I have this right here in the basket. This pumpkin I love. This is from Marshall's. This is a pumpkin from Hobby Lobby. It's usually just cream, and it has like different sizes. I tried to give it the mercury glass look, so I sprayed it a couple times. You can kind of see under there. And then I distressed it and then put a little bit of a sparkle to it. I'm gonna try to pick it up if I can. So I actually made that one. And this tall glass was from HomeGoods, and it went with my blue theme. If you remember, this used to be in my dining room area right above the bench seating. This pumpkin here was from Marshall's, and then I actually got this book, which I thought was so appropriate because if you've been with me for a while, you know I am definitely a homebody, but I just like the way it looked, and I just love Joanna Gaines, so I put that there. This was from HomeGoods as well. Then I got this grouping of hydrangeas. They had a really long stem, and I cut them off to fit, and I thought this blue went perfect. I've had this for quite some time, and I got these hydrangeas from Marshall's. is the dining room. I am in love with what I did this year. Let me know in the comments below what you think. So this year I tried to go a little more simple, and I am gonna have in the cards above last year's home tour, so you'll be able to see how it varied, how it's different this year. So I had these water hyacinth, I think that's how you say them, chargers underneath. These are from the dollar store. These are from the Dollar General. Then I took these magnolias from the tree outside. These are real. And then I took some little cuties, little halos, and put them right here. I was gonna put pumpkins, but since we're in Florida, I thought the little citrus would be really cute, and it was the perfect tone of orange. Then I had the blue glasses here. This just kind of offsets it a little bit and does the colors that I'm going for. I've got my neutral pumpkins right there. That pumpkin was from Joann's. Another little pumpkin there. And then I made this whole setup here. I've had this for quite some time. I got it from Home Goods, and these are pumpkins I had in my decor last fall, and I just repurposed them and put a couple of little cuties in here to have some pops of orange. I love the way it all came out. Then I have these antique milk glass candle holders with some beautiful candles lit up. We do not have Thanksgiving dinner here, but I love to just set the place settings up, and it just puts me in the fall mood. Let me know what you guys think. So here's the entire view. We added this wall of plates up here. I got these from thrift stores. Some were given to me, no more than 60-something cents each, and we hung them up. I had to have them up a little higher because I do have boys, and you guys know that they will break them, but I think they are so pretty. They have all kinds of different shapes. Some are really ornate, and some are kind of plain. I love them.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me.
Coming into the kitchen, you guys saw this. If you saw my clean and decorate with me, I made this a little more simple. I took the other cutting board and I put the pumpkins on that in the entryway, as I showed you guys. I got this gather sign from Joann's just the other day for 60% off, so I was really excited about that deal. I kept it pretty simple in here. You know how I am. I do not do well with a lot of clutter, so I just wanted to get some nice statement pieces and then just let them speak for themselves without too much. This was given to me. It lights up, but it doesn't work right now. I've kept the kitchen super simple. Then over here, I have a matching pumpkin. And then I got this from Home Goods on the clearance rack. This is from IKEA. I've had it for a really long time. And I've got one of my favorite fall scentsies in here. This is cider meal. It is amazing. If you guys need a Scentsy distributor, let me know. My best friend does it, and they always keep me in stock. They always have the latest scents out, so definitely let me know if you guys are interested. I am loving this view. I think it's so pretty and so clean, and I'm just so thrilled with how everything came out.
Myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else.
I got this from At Home. It was on clearance. I have an amazing candle in there. It's from the Cozy Candle Company. I featured them in my video last year. They have all soy, natural soy, hand-poured candles, and they are amazing. You can find them on Instagram. The pumpkins, I had a lot of these from last year. This was from Michael's. This one was Home Goods. This was Michael's, and the rest were just ones that I've had. Then I took the cutting board that I recently got from HomeGoods, put it here as a platform, and lined it with eucalyptus and some of these flowers. All of these were fall florals that were 50% off, so it was super affordable. This lamp is from Target. I got that some time ago. I've had it kind of bouncing all around the house, but this is from Target and they still have it in stock. Down here, I got this gold glitter turkey from Joann's. And then over here, I got this tray from HomeGoods. I talked about this on my Instagram. I painted this gold. I took the jute off the handles. I put some contact paper on here and then just painted the edges with a little white chalk paint. Then I got this from HomeGoods as well. And this was from HomeGoods around summertime. When I had my summer home tour, I showed this. This bless sign was from last year, and I got this from Marshall's.
In the beginning, it was like we were glued to each other, yes we were. And in a room full of people, we lost our sight. We're only us and no other.
Starting right here, this used to be gray. You might remember it if you've been with me for a while. I spray painted it white and put the marble contact paper on the bottom. I got this orchid from Marshall's. I got this gold pumpkin from HomeGoods, and this is from Walmart. And I love the way it's just a little bit of glam with pops of green. I love adding a little bit of color to my neutral fall decor. I got this pillow from Big Lots last year. I get pillow covers from Amazon, and it's in my Amazon favorites. These were from TJ Maxx this year. This was purchased from Etsy, and if you guys are interested, I can put her little shop down below. She makes all kinds of really cool pillow covers. This pheasant was from Target this year. I thought it was so pretty with all the colors. It went with my blue and my little pops of rust. And then coming over here, this pillow was from HomeGoods, just to incorporate some of the burlap feeling and then the warmth of the sweater-like material on the back. You know I have to have a little bit of bling. This is my living room. I took the pumpkins out of the sconces up there and just put some little Dollar Tree candles. Then over here, I took the blue blanket and draped it over this chair and added this pillow that I had in the front room. I felt like it went better in here with the blues and the little gold embellishments, and I just love this pillow. This was from HomeGoods, and they got it. They still have it this year, and they also have one in a different color. This year, I tried to focus on pieces that would be timeless and that I would be able to use year after year. I felt like it was really important to not just get things that were just a fad, but things that really spoke to me and made me feel a lot of joy. And so everything I've purchased this year is something that I plan on keeping for a very long time. I have actually never really purchased a lot of holiday decor. It's always been hand-me-downs, and this is the first year I finally went and got the pieces that really just sparked joy and made me happy. But I made sure to do it on a budget. The best thing you can do for pillows is just get pillow covers, and Amazon has so many you can choose from, and that really keeps the cost down. This pumpkin here was from Joann's. I think it's just so cute. I love all the little mirrors on it. For my mantle, I kept it very simple because my boys are up here all the time playing with their video games. So I got these topiaries from At Home. They originally had a black bottom and I spray painted it white just to make it look a little more neutral up here. I like it very clean. And then I took this pumpkin I had purchased 2 years ago from Hobby Lobby. They still have it, and I spray painted it white. I wanted this area to stay really clean and minimal because the boys are always up here, and I do not want a lot of clutter when there's already so much going on there. In our room, I did not do much, but I just added, you guys know I love my leopard print. This is from Marshall's, added some books, my Georgia Peach candle from Bath and Body Works, and then some pumpkins I had from last year. I made this pumpkin here, and this is a Dollar Tree pumpkin that I painted gold here, and this was originally, yeah, this one was already white. Nothing fancy, just, you know, little touches here and there.
I've been praying through the evening. I've been praying through the night, asking every higher power for a meaning, for a sign, to let the hour come. Oh, 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 oh.
And I think Ruby is all worn out. She's such a good girl. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this year's fall home tour. I am so pleased with how everything came out, and I hope you enjoyed this home tour. I hope it motivated you and inspired you to make your house a home by just doing some things that you love. I personally love to decorate, especially for the seasons. What is your favorite season to decorate? Mine is fall. By far. I just love the richness of the colors. I love the pumpkins. It's just a transition from summer into a really warm and cozy time, and I love it, as you can tell. So this home tour was really, really important to me, really near and dear to my heart, and I wanted it to be special to you, and I hope that I showed you guys some good ways of decorating your home for the season. If you are new here, I would love for you to consider subscribing. I do a lot of decorating on this channel, as well as weekly clean with me's and cooking recipes and all kinds of fun mommy stuff, as I am a mom of 5. It's pretty busy, it's pretty crazy, but I wouldn't have it any other way. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Lost without you.